So since my last video, and it's all to do with the Mavic 4 Pro, but mainly it's to do with the RC Pro 2 controller because of that update we had on the 26th of March. Now, since I make this video, there's been an update since then. Probably not, because there's nothing else coming out on the line. But yeah, since that update, I did the update and I went out to check anything. I found, I think it was 3 problems. One, the horizon was off, so we're going to check that out. 2 was zooming in and zooming out. Now, one thing I didn't check, guys, and that was you can go into the settings and go into explore, and that explore will take you right through the zooming process. So we're going to check that out because I didn't check that one out, and maybe that's the one I need to be in if I'm doing it from 0 to 24 plus. So we check that. The other thing was the video footage. For some reason, if I was zooming in and zooming out, it would knock it off. I've also had I've had quite a few questions really. Most people were saying that theirs was fine. Some haven't even updated, and I would, to be honest, don't even update, because all that update really was for the Comparative 360, and it was to do with the app update. But if you've got no problems, I wouldn't bother. There's a couple of other things. A couple of people asked me some questions, so that's what I'm also going to check out. So what happens. So I'm just going to set the drone up. It's a bit windy. I've checked my air data. I think gusts are up to 31 miles per hour. So we'll see how that. This is a big boy. It'll cope with things like that. One thing I will check, and that's the. Somebody was telling me, is the Comparative 360 on here? Oh, that did surprise me. I've got the Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Air 3, Air 3S, Mavic 4 Pro, obviously, the Mini 4 Pro, Mini 5 Pro. Okay. So there's no. I was surprised at that. The Comparative 360 is not on there, because obviously you can fly it like a normal drone. So that's not on there yet. So obviously that's probably going to be another update coming soon. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe DJI won't do it. I don't know. But that's one question solved. Okay, let's connect the aircraft. Confirm that. Let's press that again. So that's just going through. So I've just got to bind up the drone first.
Home point updated.
Okay. So it's just gone straight in, because I know what it was. One of the other things I wanted to check was to see if the Mini 5 Pro had a problem with this, and it didn't. No problem with the zoom, no problem with the horizon. So we're all ready. Let's get the drone up in the air. I've got 78 on the clock. I'm in normal mode, as I said before. Let's just get that drone up. Okay, we're gonna turn it around this way. I got it to about 100 foot. Now look, at the moment, that's looking pretty good. Let's turn it this way. It's possible, as I was flying over the sea, and I'm just going to do that in the mode, just to see if that moves. But it's definitely tilting the other day. Let's put that up a little bit more. All right, let's bring that around this way a little bit. Okay, we'll just send it off down that way, and we'll just see maybe if the drone's going to tilt left or right. Oh, it's a little bit difficult here because obviously you've got all these mountains. Now I'm just going to turn the drone around. Okay, weird. So later on, I did go down to the beach, and I thought I'd fly it over the sea just to see how level it is. And looking at it now, it looks fine. It looks pretty level to me. Now, I was using my grid line on this just to line it all up, and yeah, So I don't know what happened that day. Obviously I was in a different location. It shouldn't have made any difference. And as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm turning it to the left and just sort of moving it about. Because I know when I was flying out to those fish tanks, maybe I was dipping down a bit, but I still don't understand why that horizon was off. But as you can see in this shot, it looks pretty level, doesn't it, guys? Okay, so anyway, at the moment the horizon is looking okay. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into settings mode. Got it on 4K 60. Let's have a look. Let's go there. There it is, explore. Okay, so let's see if I can zoom in and zoom out. So I'm on 1 times. And here we go, 1, 2. Okay, that's on 24. Now, I did notice as I was doing that, it was slightly jumping. So I'm just going to see what's happening. I'm just going slowly. I've got it on video still. Seems to be going fine. It jumped a bit then. Okay, so I'm going to change that to sin mode, and we'll just see if that makes any difference. I'm just zooming in now. I'm trying to keep it on the screen there. It jumped then, didn't it? If I go back, you see there, it just jumped. Is that an issue? Don't know. Got a B turning up now. It jumped again. Okay, going up to 24. Okay, so I'm going to put it into sports mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Okay, so we know it knocks that off. I've just got my finger on the wheel there. It jumped then. It jumped again. I mean, I personally don't really use this, so I don't know if that's a thing. So I'm back to 1 point. Okay, what I will do in a minute, I'm just going to come out of the explore mode a minute. I'll have to stop the video, obviously. Right, stop the video. Come out of explore, go back into video. Okay, and we're just going to do what I was doing the other day over the sea, and that was just zooming in. So I'm on one time, so I'm just going to use the zoom. Here we go. Okay, only got as far as 2.2 then. Let's do that again. Okay, I got that in sports mode. Interestingly, let's put that back into normal. Right. Okay, I'll just bring that back out. Okay, it's only going as far as 2.5 now, whereas the other day it was going up to 6. Right, I'm going to put the video on. Okay, let's bring it back to 0. 1 times. Right, here we go. We're going to do it to see how far we get. Okay, it's only doing it 2.5 now. Why is that then? That's strange. It's going to 6. Okay. So what I'll do 2.5. Okay, stop the video. It's putting the video back on. We're zooming up to 6. Okay, and then we're going to do. It's gone back to 2.5. Right, it's gone back. Right, it's turned itself back on again. Should go up to 18, I think. It might even go up to 24. Right, now I've gone. Oh God, look, it's gone the wrong way then. Okay, so it's gone up to 24. So if I bring that back, it's still on record. Right, went back to 6. Okay, so it was doing the same. So it's possible, maybe it's to do with when you're zooming in and out normal. So if you put it into explore, even though it was jumping still, I mean, is that an issue? I mean, I don't really bother with that, to be honest. So I'm moving forward to the quarry. I'm going to use the zoom on this. I'm on 1x1. I'm zooming in. It should go up to 2.5. I'm going to press 2.5. It stopped it. It's doing it again. That's good. Okay, I'm flying still towards it. I'm going to do that zoom again. It's going to take us up to 6. Okay. And now I'm going to go on to 6. Okay, it seems to be working this time. I'm just going up to 24. Right. Now to me, because the other day I did this when I was on 24 times, to me that, even looking on the screen, it looks pixelated. When somebody said no, it's one, it was all right. But to me, that just looks a little bit. I'll put the focus track on there a minute. Let's see what it brings up. Okay, won't be doing that. I'm doing the zoom. Okay, so I'll just bring the drone. No, use a whale. Right, so I'm on 24 times now. Just bringing it out. Now I think that's fine. That's fine. Right. It's 18 point. I think 18 is fine, but when I do it on 24, I just think to me it didn't look right. So let's move the drone around a minute, and okay, see if we can see. Okay, yeah, I know I am. I'm just trying. What I'm trying to do is, right, there's the town. I want the town there. Okay, let's zoom out on that. Let's go back to 1. Okay, right, so we're back to 1 times. Right, there's the sea, and looking at that, that's looking pretty level, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Right, there's one more thing I need to look at, and that's while I'm in flight, is to look at the height. Okay, so somebody's asking me about. No, that's the return. That's the return to home altitude. He didn't want to know that. Okay, so there he got it. If I wanted to, I could go it a lot higher, because somebody was saying. Okay, I disagree. It's there. You can see the height, guys, but I'm not doing that. I'm dropping it right back down to there. But that gives you an idea. They haven't changed that, because I think that was somebody else that somebody was asking about, was about the maximum altitude height. So that's fine. So I think all I can do now, I can bring the drone home. What I love about doing these tests, it does look like it must have been me. I did put a question mark, and I did say it could be just me. I mean, looking at it, it all looks fine. So yeah, maybe the zoom was a little bit jittery. I thought they resolved that problem a while back. So it'd be good to know, for those guys who said they haven't updated yet, can you check in your Explore that when you're zooming in and out, does it judder? Because I'm sure it didn't before. The other thing, doing on normal zoom, where it's sticking between 1 and 2.5 or 2.5 to 6, that possible could be just normal. But the video wasn't cutting out in the horizon. So this is from Blue Skyer, I think that's it, yeah. So he asked me 3 questions, so I can safely say a Fart 360, it's not on there. Will it be on there? I don't know. Hopefully DJI will put a comment in. They usually do. There he is. Look at that, eh? Isn't that amazing, that drone? I love it. I'll just let the drone settle a minute, just in case some car comes bombing along. Okay, what I have noticed, guys, that when it's windy, don't grab it from the top, because these blades cut you. So always grab it underneath. I wouldn't advise hand catch. I've seen people do it. It's up to them. I wouldn't hand catch this. If you notice, I don't do hand catches or hand launches. I just think you are asking for trouble. But I've seen people do it. I've got my glasses on, but these blades, when it's windy, they can whip round. But anyway, let's go back to what Blue Sky was asking. So his second one was about the Explore mode. Is it only limited in normal mode? No, so you can do it in Sin, or you can do it actually in sports mode, which is good to know. And the maximum altitude adjustment to 1,000 meters. Well, if you noticed, I'm a feet and inches man myself, but you can see there, it's probably 1,000 meters. I don't know, what's 300 and something. But anyway, I think that hasn't been changed. Yeah, that was it, wasn't it? That was it. Amazing drone. I mean, I don't fly this a lot personally, because at the moment I'm doing lots of tests on the Neo 2 and the Mini 5 Pro. And this week, if I can get out, because this week's not a good week for me, I've got a problem with my car I've got to sort out. And in Spain, God, they don't make things difficult. Nothing's easy here in Spain. I'm not going to go into it, but I could be carless for probably up to a week. But anyway, hope I've got some videos lined up, so I'll still be able to post. That's the main thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the test. Like I said before, those guys that haven't updated, can you look at the Explore mode? And what that means is going from the zoom 1 times to 24 times. Is it nice and smooth, or is it like you can see on this one, a little bit jittery? Everything else, I think it's fine. I think it's fine, really. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.